Hello YouTube. Tech's back with another great video, and today's video is about how to access the advanced boot option on Windows computers. So to access the advanced boot options in this video, we are going to see different ways of getting into advanced boot options. So if you are new here, please subscribe, Tech, and like, share to your friends, and you can give me comments on the comment section. Now let's see how we can get into advanced boot option. So the first one is by getting into here Windows. Select here the Windows, then go to setting, and after the setting open here, we will go to the here on this under the system. Here we'll go to here to the recovery. I think it's visible, recovery. So after the recovery open here, we are going to find on the recovery section advanced startup, which is, it says here restart now. By the way, this solution will work for Windows 10 and as well as Windows 11 or Windows 8 computers. So select here the advanced startup, which is select here restart now. So it's going to ask me restart now, so I'm going to proceed, yes, accept restart now. So on this restarting procedure, it will directly goes to advanced options. So here, as you can see, it's telling me please wait. So here, as you can see, it opened here. Choose options, which is continue troubleshoot. So to get the advanced option, we are going to select here the troubleshoot option. So here we find advanced option that we want. So you can select here the advanced option, and you can do the solutions that you are going to perform. Getting into advanced boot option is by clicking here the Windows icon here on your computer. Click on here the Windows icon, and here select the restart, and while you click restart, click the Windows shift key on your keyboard, the left shift key. Click restart and Windows left key at the same time, and it will lead you to advanced boot option. So I'm going to select here the restart on my computer and click the shift key on the keyboard on the left side of my keyboard. So here, as you can see, it's telling me please wait. So it will proceed to the troubleshoot option. So as we did in the earlier section, we are going to select the troubleshoot here, and we are going to select troubleshoot. Then here we find the advanced boot option, so we can select and get into that section. So we have seen two methods of getting it into advanced boot option. So the third method will be here clicking the Windows icon on the computer and type here on the search box, which is CMD. As you can see here, I type CMD, then click on the CMD and run as administrator. So after the CMD run as administrator open here, we are going to put a command inside this. I'm going to put this command on the command link on the description box, so you can find the link on the description box. Let's copy this command, which is shut down this command, copy, and let's paste the command here, paste, and press enter to restart and get into advanced boot option. So when I click here, pressing enter, it will directly get into the Windows advanced option by restarting the computer. So as you can see here, it's saying please wait. So the next restart will get me into advanced boot option. So here it's saying please wait until it opened. So it directly leads me to the troubleshoot options like the other ones. So here I select troubleshoot here, then select troubleshoot, then you can get advanced option, and you can select advanced option and can get any options that you want for your computer. So you have seen all the three options that would help you to access the advanced boot options. But if all these three methods is not working for you, then you can use this step as opening advanced boot option. So here we go to, again, the Windows icon here, and again type the cmd, then command prompt will open, then right click on it and select run as administrator. Then after the run as administrator, open the command prompt. Then we are going to use a command that I'm going to put it on the description box. So earlier we had used this command. Then now we are going to use this regnatic command. So select this regnatic command, select and right click on it, then select copy and go to here on the command prompt and paste it and select enter. So regnatic exe operation is successful as it's saying. Now just turn off this one and select on your computer here a Windows icon and restart your computer, and it will directly leads you to the advanced boot option. So it's restarting here the computer. So after the restart completed, it directly leads you to advanced boot option. Okay, as you can see here again, we found here the troubleshoot option, which is one of the leading points to the advanced boot option. So here I select the troubleshoot, then I found here advanced boot options, and I can use anything that I want on the advanced options. So here it is all about on how we can access advanced boot options on Windows. So you can use it for Windows 11, Windows 10, or 7 or 8 products. So you can open your advanced boot option. It's all about today's video. And if you're interested in my videos, you can give me a thumb up, subscribe, and comment on the comment section. For today, Touch Tech out.